And just keep incorporating that heavy cream right into that chocolate. And get a forearm workout at the same time. Thanks for joining us at Artisan Cakes. It's time for another tip of the day. Recipe contains just 3 ingredients: 16 ounces of chocolate, 10.7 ounces of heavy cream, and 1 ounce of butter. So here we go. We're gonna bring our heavy cream up to a scald. So that is just at that soft simmer stage. And then we're going to pour all of that over our chocolate. We'll let it rest for about 5 minutes and come back and just stir, 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 stir. So here we go. I'm going to turn off this heat and we're going to pour the hot cream into our chocolate. It should be right about the right temperature to gently melt our chocolate. You'll notice that I've used a giant bowl, a nice wide one. That's to help it distribute the heat throughout that bowl. And here we go. Right over the butter. There should be just enough cream to cover our chocolate. And if not, just distribute that a little bit. And let the hot cream melt your chocolate. Give this a few minutes. Don't immediately try stirring it. Give this a few minutes to really warm up the chocolate, and then we'll come back and mix it together with a standard spatula, and then we will finish whipping it smooth with our whisk. So I can still feel a little bit of harder chunks of chocolate in here. And I'm using a dark chocolate. It has a 64% cocoa butter mass. It's a little bit hard, so I'm going to let that heat from the cream continue warming up the chocolate before I start stirring. Once you feel that the heat has moved throughout your chocolate, you're ready to begin stirring. And of course it kind of looks like hot chocolate on the top, but soon this will all come together. So just let all of that start working together. I don't feel any hard chunks. I'm going to switch right on over to the whisk. Save that, lick that later. All right, here we go. So just sitting in the middle, giving this a good whisk. Another reason I use a giant bowl, so I don't splash it out everywhere. And just keep incorporating that heavy cream right into that chocolate. And get a forearm workout at the same time. See that change? Now you don't want to stop too soon. You see there's still liquid pooling on the top. Make sure all of that is worked in until smooth. And you have ganache.